Buongiorno amici and welcome back to Have a Nice Suit Season 6. Today I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks how to take care of your suit. Follow me. Amici, about taking care of your suit is very important. You need a decent clothes hanger. A quality tailor has a decent clothes hanger, and you will have a quality clothes hanger with your bespoke suit, always. It's very important that when you get your suit off, for example, you start with the pants and you fold it on the pleat, and it has to be like this on your clothes hanger. Halfway the pants to get it on the pleat. Don't do it off the pleat because otherwise you will have two pleats on the front side. Then, of course, the jacket. It's more easy. You hang it with the shoulders on this way, that it don't overhells on one side. It has to be right in the middle. Important that you get the reverse right and you put it away in your dressing or your closet. Amici, a nice life hack, and I will be your lifesaver for this one. You come back from your party and you see a lot of wrinkles in your suit and in your jacket, whatever. You take a really hot shower in your bathroom. You close up the door after you showered. You hang your suit on your clothes hanger and leave it there the whole night. You will see that the morning after, there will be no wrinkles in your suit. They will disappear. This only if it's good quality and only if it's full canvas. We bespoke tailors do only full canvas. So that's very important to know. Do not do this with a low quality suit. Amici, about the dry clean, you need to find a good dry clean. You maximum bring it once a year to the dry clean, not any more than one time because they can damage your suit. I don't know how your dry clean works, but be careful with dry cleans. If you need it, that it needs a little bit of refreshment, you can buy a steamer, a hot steamer, a jiffy steamer, and it will kill all the bacteria. Of course, that's not the only way you have to do it, because if it's not possible, you can bring it to a good dry clean. To iron it up again, maybe after you steamed it, you can bring it to your tailor because he and only he can iron it in the right way and give you again back the curly revers, or bring it in the right shape how it was at the beginning. Amici, one more important thing that you can do yourself. You're at a restaurant and eating spaghetti carbonara, for example, and a classic one, in the last bite there is a spot on oil on your jacket or your pants. Well, do not panic for that. Let it how it is. Do not touch it. When you're home, you're using a little bit of baby powder. You put it on, you let it get really dry with it, and after a half hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, you take it off with a nice towel and you take it carefully off, and you will see that the spot is gone. So don't bring this small oil spot to the dry clean. If there is a wine spot, do not do it with the baby powder, but that one needs a dry clean because that's more complicated than an oil spot. Amici, I will repeat it. If you want to get back some shape in your jacket, bring it back to your tailor, because only your tailor can iron it well. He can iron better the reverse, he can iron better your jacket. Only he can do this well. So bring it back to him and he will do it with pleasure. Not once a year, but maybe after 4 years, 5 years, you will see that there is a little bit less form in your jacket, and you can bring it back, and we will bring it back to life how it was the first day. You should never spill your coffee, that's very important, but with the ristretto, that's really difficult. So if you drink it the Pirone way, you will never spill your caffè ristretto. Buona giornata a tutti e buona domenica. Ciao!